Yes, so today we wanna talk about distributed generation. So firstly, what is distributed generation? Distributed generation is an approach that employs small-scale technologies to produce electricity close to the end user of power, such as solar system and combined heat and power. Distributed generation technologies often consist of modular generators and they offer a number of potential benefits. In many cases, distributed generators can provide lower cost electricity and higher power reliability and security with fewer environmental consequences than can traditional power generators. So, how it works? In contrast to the use of a few large-scale generating stations located far from load centers, the approach used in the traditional electric power paradigm, distributed generation system employ numerous but small plants and can provide power on site with little reliance on distribution and transmission grid. Distributed generation technology uses power in capacities that range from a fraction of a kilowatt to about 100 megawatt. Utility scale generation units generate power in capacities that often reach beyond 1000 megawatt. Okay, next we want to talk about where the technology can be applied or has been applied. Distributed generation may serve a single structure such as a home or businesses. It may be part of a microgrid such as a smaller grid that is also tied in the larger electricity delivery system such as a major industrial facility, a military base, or a large college campus. Then, who can get a benefits from the system? So, like you can see, residents and businesses that generate power locally have the potential to sell surplus power to the grid, which can yield significant income during time of peak demand. Industrial managers and contractors have also begun to emphasize the advantages of generating power on site. Cogeneration technologies permit businesses to reuse thermal energy that would normally be wasted. They have therefore become prized in industries that use large quantities of heat, such as the iron and steel, chemical processing, refining, pulp and paper manufacturing, and power processing industries. Similar generation hardware can also deploy recycled heat to provide hot water for use in aquaculture, greenhouse heating, desalination of seawater, increased crop growth, and frost protection and air preheating. Now, what is advantages from the system? Distributed generation reduce the amount of energy lost in transmitting electricity because the electricity is generated very near where it is used, perhaps even in the same building. Reduces the size and number of power lines that must be constructed. So thank you for hearing my explanation about this system, distributed generation.